Preparing financial statements for non-corporate entities can be time-consuming. Data has to be arranged properly, mapped under correct heads, and then converted into a structured format. KDK Software simplifies this by helping you prepare financial statements directly from the system. While preparing the return, go to Income Heads. Next, select Business and Profession. Then click on New Financial Statement. If data is already available in the trial balance, simply select the respective heads and the data will be auto-fetched. You can also click on Import Excel and then click on Download Template. Add your financial data in the template and import the Excel file. Once the data is entered, the system will automatically prepare the Schedule 3 balance sheet. Click on Preview. Here, you can view the balance sheet in both modern and classical formats. You can also add the UDIN number and select the auditor. Finally, download the financial statement in PDF format in your preferred format. This helps professionals prepare accurate financial statements faster with minimal manual effort.